Yes, sir. We made it. Not to work. We made it to the car. I'm probably gonna be late to work. So that's my adrenaline every morning, racing to work. It's like just enough time to beat the clock. Say I'm supposed to be there at like, let's say like 9:35, and I need to clock in at 9:30. So you want to test yourself? Yes, sir. Work, off work, off work, off work. Let me see if I can show y'all the startup animation. Bro, this shit crazy. It never show when I'm recording. Hey, what's up, Twizzy? Oh, it's a 230 though. That's still twin though. 2 Series gang, man. Can't lie though. The more I'm looking at it, this joint low-key tough. Should have got that in the M240, man. That shit is tough. At first, I didn't really like it, but now I got a better look at it. It's fine. Alright, so we about to go to the store real quick because I gotta get a little stocking for work. Sorry, no car-related stuff this vlog. Sorry about it. Sorry about it. I didn't even tell you. Remember how I got this touchscreen, right? Boom, did it right. Bro, I low-key think I figured out how to get CarPlay for the free. Long story short, I'm gonna have to code something, bro. So I can't code it off my phone though using Beamer code. That's the only thing. So I gotta be a little bit careful. But I'm gonna still try it because, you know, why not? If I do, I'm gonna put y'all on. Start selling the service myself, but for the low, I got y'all. 200 is OD. I got y'all. But let me figure it out. If I figure it out, you know what I mean? Everybody gonna eat. So we are now in the spaceship. Spaceship looking wild. We're about to go get this stocking, bro, for work. How they gonna say it's a gift exchange and I gotta buy my own stocking? Like, damn, y'all can't even supply that shit? Whatever, man, whatever. You recording?
No.
Oh my
I stopped.
L camera, man. Yeah, we up in the store. I found the stocking though. So I'm about to go ahead and get this one. Of course, the one with the J, I got to. It's only right. But I ain't gonna lie, this one right here kind of fire too though. The plaid joint go crazy. I don't know. Festive and it's J, but at the same time, it's like, this one is fire. This is the one. This is the one. W or L fit? Damn. You know, this video probably short as hell, but you got to stock it, bro. But that's pretty much it. So Vlogmas 6.